Hey guys, I don't know if you saw my earlier post, but I was able to have my lovely wife on with me. Um, just it was just a joy. You know, we don't share the struggle alone. Whether it's a family member, a loved one close to you, in your home, uh, it doesn't matter. We share our struggles with somebody, so we're never alone. And it was just good having her just show her face. When I was going through and when I was in the hospital, stressed, in distress, she was right there by my side. I think only one person came to see me other than her, and it was just a blessing having her there. Um, but she knew what I was going through, and she's excited about what I'm doing now with digital marketing. It's the only thing thus far that has really worked to recoup, to revitalize my finances in my bank account, my retirement funds. So I encourage you to come on board. Put I'm ready in the comment section. Let me know what you think about my video and the one with my wife. Leave a comment and I'll send you the info. Talk to you later.